Hi everyone! So for today's video, I want to share you some knowledge on how to type the big letter N and the small letter N using your laptop. So sa video na ito, ating matututunan kung paano ba i-type ang malaking titik na N at maliit na titik N gamit ang inyong laptop. Para mas madali ninyong maintindihan, I will share you my on-screen keyboard. Okay, and then let's zoom it. Okay, so first, let's try typing the big N. Click caps lock. Okay, turn your caps lock on para malaking titik ang ma-type natin. Then, type big letter N. After that, type the numbers 0, 3, 0, 3. After that, click Alt and click X. There you go. You have your big N now. After that, let's try. At ngayon, i-try naman nating i-type ang small N. Of course, we need to turn off caps lock para small letters ang ma-type natin. Type small letter N. Type the numbers 0, 3, 0, 3. After that, click Alt and X. There you go. You have your big N and small N now. One more time, let's try again. Okay, let's type big N. Caps lock. Type big N. Type the number 0303. Click Alt and X. Big N. Let's type small N. Turn off your caps lock. Type the small letter N. Type the numbers 0303. Click Alt and click X. Okay, so that's the small N. Okay, one more time. Let's try again. Big N. Caps lock. Type big N. Type 0303. Then after that, click Alt and click X. Big N. Small N. Turn off your caps lock. Type small N. Type the numbers 0303. Click Alt and click X. There you go. Big N and small N. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you think that this video is helpful, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more knowledge that I can share to you. And don't forget to leave a comment if you want to. Thank you and goodbye.